Hey Beer Belly fam, it's Ryan. Today we're gonna make chicken schnitzel, crispy garlic potato wedges, and honey butter carrots for dinner tonight. So hope you like it. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at Beer Belly Food and Travel.
All right, let's get cooking those veggies. Potatoes all cut nice in the wedges, spiced up with the freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Then we're gonna make the garlic and honey butter for the carrots. Get those all in there nice. Saute that around just for a few minutes. Salt and pepper to taste. And then we're gonna transfer that to a pan and get those in the oven and let those cook for about a half an hour at 400. While that's cooking, we get the chicken schnitzel prepared with flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. We're gonna pound those chickens nice thin. And then we're gonna coat that in the flour, then the egg, then the breadcrumbs. And then we're gonna pop that into the pan, oiled nicely with some nice virgin olive oil. And get that in the oven at 400 for about 45 minutes or so. And it's all done. As you see, looks amazing. And we're gonna put the carrots back in the sauce, just toss them around for a quick minute, and we're all done. This is super delicious, guys. Hope you enjoy. Let me know how you like it in the comments.